Welcome to Budapest, Hungary. This city is like a majestic old storybook come to life. Situated on the banks of the mighty Danube River, Budapest is a tapestry woven from the threads of two historic cities, Buda and Pest, now united as one vibrant metropolis. With its grand architecture, rich history, and a sprinkle of that Hungarian magic, Budapest is a feast for the senses. So, loosen your belts, grab your walking shoes, and let's get ready to explore the heart of Hungary. We begin our journey in Buda on Castle Hill, where the iconic Buda Castle presides. Imagine, for centuries, this majestic complex served as the home of Hungarian kings and queens. Today, it's your royal playground. As you cross the threshold, feel the weight of history in the air. We'll wander through courtyards, each with its own story to tell. Be sure to take a peek at the Matthias Fountain, a masterpiece of neo-Baroque sculpture. And don't miss the Hungarian National Gallery. It's jam-packed with masterpieces from Hungarian artists, a crash course in Hungarian culture. And for a trip back in time, the Budapest History Museum within the castle walls will paint a vivid picture of the city's past, from its Roman roots to modern times. Next, we're off to a place that seems plucked straight out of a fairy tale, Fisherman's Bastion. Now, don't go looking for fishermen here. This whimsical lookout point with its 7 fairy tale turrets was named for the guild of fishermen who defended this part of the city walls way back in the Middle Ages. From here, the views are simply breathtaking. You'll see the Danube River, a glistening ribbon flowing through the heart of the city, and the majestic Hungarian Parliament building, an architectural masterpiece in all its glory. Come at sunrise or sunset for the most magical light. Trust me, the sky explodes in a symphony of colors, casting a golden glow over the city. It's the perfect spot for a photo op, so get those cameras ready. No trip to Budapest is complete without a visit to the crown jewel of the city, the Hungarian Parliament building. This architectural marvel, a stunning example of neo-Gothic design, dominates the Pest side of the Danube. But don't just admire it from afar, step inside for a guided tour. You'll be blown away by the opulent interiors, stained glass windows that bathe the halls in a kaleidoscope of colors, intricate carvings, and enough gold to make King Midas jealous. And of course, no visit would be complete without a glimpse of the crown jewels, including the Holy Crown of Hungary, a sacred symbol of the nation's history. It's a reminder of the power and grandeur that this building represents. After all that sightseeing, you deserve a little rest and relaxation, and there's no better place to do that than in one of Budapest's famous thermal baths. We're headed to the Széchenyi thermal baths, the largest medicinal bath in Europe. This grand yellow palace-like complex, built in 1913, is like a time machine back to the golden age of Budapest. Here you can soak in the naturally heated, mineral-rich waters, said to have healing properties. There are indoor and outdoor pools, each with varying temperatures, so you can find the perfect one for you. Grab a floaty, order a lemonade from the poolside bar, and just relax and let the stress melt away. You're in good company. Locals have been coming here for centuries to socialize and unwind. Next, we're heading to a place of peace and grandeur, St. Stephen's Basilica. Named after the first king of Hungary, this neoclassical masterpiece is one of the most important churches in the country. Step inside and you'll be greeted by soaring ceilings, intricate mosaics, and an atmosphere of reverence. Take your time to admire the artwork and soak in the spiritual ambience. And for the best views in Budapest, climb the 366 steps to the top of the dome. From here you can gaze out over the entire city, a sea of rooftops stretching out before you. It's truly a sight to behold. And don't forget to visit the reliquary, where you can see St. Stephen's mummified right hand, a sacred relic in Hungarian history. Now, for a truly unique experience, we're going underground beneath the bustling streets of Budapest to the hospital in the Rock Museum. This secret underground hospital, a nuclear bunker, hidden within Buda's cave system, played a crucial role during World War II and the Cold War. As you wander through the dimly lit corridors and original hospital rooms, you'll be transported back in time. You'll see the medical equipment used to treat the wounded, hear stories of courage and resilience, and feel the weight of history all around you. It's a sobering reminder of the human cost of conflict, but also a testament to the enduring spirit of the Hungarian people. That's a wrap on Budapest's must-see attractions and experiences. Whether you're exploring historic sites or relaxing in thermal baths, Budapest has something for everyone. But don't forget to savor the flavors of Hungary. Indulge in a hearty bowl of goulash, try some chimney cake, and wash it all down with a glass of local wine. Safe travels, and remember, adventure awaits around every corner, especially here in Budapest.